Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video and I will repeat it again. If you are a long-term trader, stay with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, stick only with 4 hours. And if you are a scalper, watch in 30 minutes, but it's better for you to watching that multi-time frames analysis or 3D analysis to get a clear picture where is the market going, but it's up to you. So as you see here, the daily candle is finished here. It's showing us a big reverse in here. And also we tell it to you yesterday when that green candle here finished, we told you if Monday candle came like that, we're going to see a big pushing up, but also we written it like how is it normal, no manipulation, no nothing, because it might that things here is it normal and those market makers they know something because we don't know it, so we need to treat it normal as if there is nothing happening. And here in the daily, what else we said, we zoom it like that. What else we said before here? We said we got here a inside bar like that from that green candle here. So till now, as you see here in the daily, now you get a clear picture what's happening. There is no candle breaking up here. And there is no candle breaking down here. So us we stay in here in the range of that inside bar. People they've been with us the days of FTX, they know those things very well. So till now there is nothing here happening. Us we stay in the range of that inside bar. We need to wait and more what's going to happen in the coming days. And another thing here, as you see it here, that white one here, that the wage will getting broke in the weekly and in the daily here, the top of it. Till now us we stand in the top of it, and that correction will happen now. It's something healthy. If it fall down and touches here, then after that to go back up and to break for us the last high here, that's something still healthy. And here the two yellow lines, the one and the one, the analysis for the options we analyzed in Friday. We said the calls they are here at 25k and the pots they are here at 21k, and those was they are professional people, they know what they're doing. And let me show you where they put in the pots of them and the calls to get clear picture where is everything. As you see it, they put in the calls of them at that level here at 25k and the pots of them here. So the view of them, if it fall down till here, because the pot if it's expire inside the money, that man them they need to buy the Bitcoin at 21k. So that the view for big wells here, as you see it. And here, that's what we call it us, we use selling cover calls. People they buy from here. If it reach here, they are going to sell the Bitcoin at 25k. So some people they buy from down, maybe they want to sell here. That's another story. So it's like an order. Let's make it like that. To get clear picture, because also we are not here about the options and those things. And by the way, if you want to know more about the options, there is one course in my Udemy profile. It's all about the options. It's going to teach you a lot of things. So those people, they saying if the Bitcoin fall down to 21k, then they are going to buy the Bitcoin cheaper. So that the view of them, and also we're respecting everyone, and them they know what they're doing, because over here is a very stronger support or a very stronger resistance is getting broke. If it fall down here, it's going to become as a support here. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to do. Till now us we still waiting what's going to happen. I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to see the coming news for tomorrow for the pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are at the coming news for tomorrow. As you see it, we don't got something special here for the Bitcoin. We got here retail sales for the Aussie, Germany unemployment rate or whatever, the CPI of Germany. Then we got only that one, that consumer confidence of USA, which is going to come at 3 o'clock GMT time. So you change it with your local time, but that one it will not do a big impact to the market, because investors they still waiting Wednesday when the Fed meeting and the Fed interest rate decision and the price conference. And may I tell you all that, I told you the Fed is going to increase interest rate by 0.25. That all of us we know it. Us we are focused just about the press conference, what the Jerome Powell going to tell us in it, that the most important. So you need to wait until Wednesday, then we're making a decision based on that. And here our friend, the table of us, we're looking at it every day. Here, as you see it, all US stocks today they are red, and may I tell it that to you in the last video, and even I give you if it meets some criteria in the stock market, you enter short and you closing the earning of you. So all of them they close in red here. But there is nothing going to happen because today is Monday and you know all those things. People they been with me, they know all those things. And here our friend, the VIX here, as you see it, today it go up a little bit. Let's make it like that because it used to be 18. Today we are 19.94. That must currencies go back to the market because people, they are tell now they're fearing the recession in America. They are scared from that Jerome Powell what is going to tell them because that person is the most dangerous person in the most dangerous place in the world. So we don't know what he's going to say, but whatever he's saying is going to get a big impact to the market. So you need to be careful about what he's going to say. And here, the US dollar today is it green a little bit, and even in the forex, because the majority of you didn't know me spending all the whole day watching the chart in the forex. Today the British pound it's falling down after a long going up. Today it's falling down a little bit, and even here the dollar index it's showing it's going up. Even the Bitcoin, if you're looking at it, you're going to find it falling down. That's the reason why, because US dollar is going up, but that's just correction. Then after that you're going to see it falling down after the Fed meeting. Need to be focused about those things, man, I'm telling you. Now let's going back to the Bitcoin to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. By the way, here in the 4 hours, we analyze only for swing trading. So if you are a swing trader, just watching 4 hours here. Here in the 4 hours, I just post a picture in my Telegram channel. By the way, if you want to watch in more updates, you can join us. And even here in the community tab of YouTube, I put there a picture. I told you if the Bitcoin breaking here, that level here, exactly that one, we are going to close everything that long as we enter from down from 17k till here. We are going to close it. But what happened? As you see it, it can tell here and give us here a pin bar now here. It's showing the Bitcoin. It's still stronger in that level here. And the big investors, they don't want the Bitcoin to break that level here. That's the right of them. And here what we got here in the 4 hours now. The Bitcoin, it gave us here a price action now. Look at it. It give you here a megaphone. A very clear megaphone here. So that one, if it's breaking lower here, you need to enter short. And I'm going to show you why you need to enter short. If it's breaking here, you can even do it like that, but that one is getting broke now, the triangle. If you do it like that, because the triangle you have here is getting broke here and getting broke down here, so 2 times. And even before we used to have here a flag like that, and even that flag it's getting broke here of yesterday video, because here we used to have here a flag, it's getting broke here. Now it's showing us it's just a fake out. Now it go back inside again. So that one the same thing as we said before about the Wyckoff people, being with us, they know those things. Now if it's breaking that level here and doing like that, that one here is the top of that bull run. So we need to wait in what's going to happen here, because people they being with us, they know those things, that Wyckoff pattern here, always do it like that, sideways, then they give you here a fake out here like how it happened here. Now it back here, if it's breaking here that level here, that meant at the bottom, same like how it give it to us in the daily, but till now in the daily it haven't finished the top one, so also we still waiting what's going to happen. And if it falls down, it's just to here to the 200 moving average, as I show you in the options what those people they believe in, it will not break 21k. So let's wait and let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Because me till now I'm still believing when the Fed is going to come and the interest rate decision is going to come, you're going to see a big move upward. But till now also still waiting. I told you that 2 levels, that one and that one now. Because now it give you another price action here. It give you here a megaphone. If it's breaking up, we'll enter long again. If it's breaking down, we will close all our long position. We hold them from 17k and we will open a short till here, till 19 or 20k, or we don't know till where it's going to go that short position. But also we go with it. It give us another price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Then also we're going to enter long again. Till now you need to wait in a little bit. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you remember, what me have been telling you here, I've been telling you we got here a very clear divergence here, and even that pushing up here in the last video, I told you it couldn't break the divergence line here, as you see it. But me, I told you something else here. What me I told you? I told you, me personally, I think it is going to come here to the daily trend line here, that white one, because that one is daily, it's not here in the 4 hours. I told you it's going to come to it here, then after that you're going to see the market going upward, and that's what it's showing till now. Because till now, if you're looking with me here, what it's showing to you, it's showing, yes, we used to have here the downtrend like that of the divergence. It fall down, it touching here. So I think from here it's going to go back to touch it again. Maybe that one just a scenario, because till now there is nothing confirmed yet. Or maybe it's going to break here and to go down to the oversold area. Also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. and give you all the scenarios. I give you the price action. If it's broke, you need to enter short. If it's breaking up, you need to enter long. So that one is just an oscillator. You don't need to base your trading on it. The most important, the chart, and the chart what it's telling you. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, it's been here at the overbought area for ages now. Look how many times it's been here. Now it's showing it breaking down, but not yet, because the only price action we got there is that megaphone here, that one here. It needs at least to break lower here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter, unless if it's met and breaking down, also we're going to enter short. If it's not, also we're still waiting. And that's what his name trading. You need to wait in the opportunity to come to you. Same like how it happened down, same like how it happened the day of FTX. Also we're still waiting. If it's breaking lower here, we are going to enter short. Remember that. People they enter with me long from down here. People they enter long with us from down here. If it's breaking down here, because us, we're going to tell us where we are going to go out. A price action. The price action we got here, a megaphone. If it's breaking down here, we are going to enter short. Why should we enter short? Let me show you something very important happen. Is the same thing happening now. You remember the day of FTX here? Here, exactly here. That the day of FTX, it gave us the same thing here now, a megaphone. Also, we are not going to wake off. We are not going to nothing. It gives us the same thing. You see it or no? If it's breaking here and it's breaking here, we are going to enter short, guy. Remember that. Take profit of you. It needs to be here, exactly in that level here. That if it's breaking lower here. If it's not, us we are not going to enter, because the day of FTX it used to give us our indicator a divergence. Same thing now. Let me show it to you for picture to get more clear to you. Look at it now here. You remember here we used to have here a divergence like that and like that. Same thing now. Give us here a divergence like that and like that. And it gave us here a megaphone now. Same thing like how it gave it to us here. Now if it's breaking lower here in that day, you enter short and you close all the long positions. Remember that. If it's breaking lower there. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes. Also we enter short in the last videos here. I don't want to go back to show you where we enter long or something. Also we enter short from here. Exactly from here. Last video what me I told you got here a trend line like that. I told you if that one came and break a lower up here, you can enter long. It doesn't. You still far away from it. Now what it give you here? It tried to give you here like a down channel like that. Yes or no? If it's breaking here, should you enter long? Not yet, my friend, because it's still a little bit early and you are down in the 200 moving average. For you to enter long, look with me what you need to do. That one. And you can make even like that, like a megaphone or something like that. If it came like that and breaking up here, you can enter long, but till now there is no entry long here. Unless if the market give you here a price action, give you here a double bottom or a head and shoulder like how it give it to us here, you can enter long, but now there is nothing here because look at it. Look here. We don't need to go back to the past. Look at it here. From here, it reverse up. Now you are in it. At least it's going to make a correction here till the 200 moving average, and after that maybe it's going to fall down. We don't know exactly what's going to happen because that level, people they're looking at it. Same people how you looking at it, even them they're looking at that level here. From here last time it bounced up all that much. Now you are in it again. So I need to be careful about those levels. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it enter here to the oversold area. So now technically you need to look for a buy opportunity because look at it, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Second thing, our indicator is it here at the oversold area. But the most important, because that one is just an oscillator and that one is just a line with how the price action. The most important one is the chart to give you a sign indicating that the market is going to reverse, because the chart they talking to you and we call it the chart behavior. So you, when the market here give you here a sign indicating that the market is going to reverse, you can enter long, but till now there is nothing here. The most important one here is that one, that a downtrend here and that one here. It's like a megaphone here. If that one came and breaking up here, yes, you can enter long, but if it doesn't, there is no entry long. It might from here to fall down more down, or in the coming hours maybe it's going to give you here a price action like as I told you, a head and shoulder, a wedge, a triangle. That's another story, but till now there is nothing here. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.